Let's talk beauty rules. Number 1, there are no rules. Number 2, there are tips and tricks. The brighter the blush, the more natural it looks. Now, you've been told that natural looking blushes are nudes and peaches and those type of shades, but this color of blush, when applied lightly and high up on your cheekbones, gives you the exact look of a natural flush. Think you can't wear red lipstick? Think again. If you're intimidated by a full statement lip, try a similar color in a sheer formula. It's gonna give you that same vibrancy and excitement that you can get from a red lip, but in a more effortless, easy to wear way. Take a break from your boring black liner and swap it out for a soft matte brown. Even more exciting, a sparkling brown. Now, for those of you that are brave at heart, I highly recommend a gorgeous sparkling blue. The vibrancy of the browns and the blues are going to bring out your natural eye color. They're gonna make the whites of your eyes look whiter. And frankly, everyone needs a change. In summary, rules are meant to be broken. So throw out all your how-tos and every beauty rule you've ever been told to follow. Experiment, have fun, use makeup to lift your mood, and enjoy your life.